Okay, here we are today. I'm going to service my Stihl chainsaw. It's a thing that should be carried out. You should do it at least once a year. If you don't do it at all, I mean, it'll just deteriorate into chaos and you have a terrible saw. So it's basically a Stihl. It could be a Husqvarna, it could be any motorised chainsaw. The procedure's just the same. You need to have a few pieces of tools, spark plug key, which would come with your machine. If you've not got one, please go and buy one. It does the chain tensioning and it removes the chain as well. So we'll move on and we'll start the strip down. So we're going to get rid of the nasty chain first of all. Get that out of our way. Just remove the nuts. Set them aside. Take the cover off, which is, you can tell mine's is really needing a service. So this lot we can take away and we can just put the chain and bar away just now. We're only interested in the machine at the moment. As you can see, it's pretty dirty and needs a clean. Next thing to do is take off the air filter, spark plug. Spark plug lives in here. We want to remove the spark plug. This is where your tool comes in handy again, as it will take your spark plug out. Remove the plug, check the type of it and look at the condition of it as well, just to see that it's not oiled up or it's not. And that's nice and clean. So I'll set that aside, and you can see my air filter's been cutting a few trees, so it needs a clean down. This is where your tool comes in handy again, because it takes everything else off. If we've got a little brush handy, we can just clean the rubbish off it before we attempt to remove it. And then we can go ahead and remove this. I do keep spares for all my chainsaws, and I do have new filters and new spark plugs and bits and pieces, but that just needs a good clean down and it'll be fine. So set that aside.